What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name's Volt, and in today's video, you probably saw in the title, we'll be making a little sword trail. I hope you liked the video. See you after this. Alright, I hope you actually like my new intros. I think this one that I just did will be like the final one that I will actually use and like not keep like making more intros and stuff because it's a little hard. But what we're gonna do is first we're gonna go in the toolbox and insert a sword. Just a normal sword that was created by Roblox. Okay. So we have this sword, and when it says put this tool in starter pack, just click on yes. So we'll click on starter pack, click on that arrow, and view the classic sword. Let me move this down a little bit. And then you click on handle and do Control X. And then you right click on workspace and do paste into. So we have the sword basically into here. We don't need to worry about any of these, but we're gonna add in a few attachments. So we can attachment, and we can name this attachment attachment 0. Attachment 0. So you see the attachment right here. It's this little green dot right here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's right there. And we're gonna move this up a little bit. So it could fit in this sword, like on the very tippity point, because that's where you want, your trail to start. Okay, let's have it like boop. Come on, a bit like that. Let's actually move it up a little bit. So since we have it like this, I think we're good. Let me see. Whoop. Let's look over. Nope, not yet. And let's see. There we go. So now attachment 0, we're going to do Control D to duplicate it. And instead of attachment 0, do attachment 1. And you're going to want to have attachment 1 right where it like somewhere in the middle, like right where it normally was. So we'll put it kind of somewhere right there in the middle. Make sure it's not on the handle. Like not on the handle, because that can really mess things up. So let's move this down a little bit, bring it forward, and move it this way. This video really doesn't need any scripting. It's fairly easy. But now in the handle, you're also going to add a trail. And in this trail, you can give it a color sequence by clicking on these 3 dots and giving it like a color sequence. I'm just going to give it like a nice, like red, then yellow, then orange, then a nice orange color, then red again. Something like that. Very nice. So we close that, and we also do, and after that we also, so you see if you go in the properties section of the trail, you should see a property that says, let's find it. It should say like attachment 1 and attachment 0. So on attachment 0, we'll click on attachment 0 right here. And on attachment 1, we'll click on attachment 1 right there. So once we play this game, okay, once we play this game, we have our sword right here. As if we open it, oh yeah, I also forgot. Make sure you put the handle back in the classic sword right there. So make sure you put that back there. All right, so now let's see. So here, and as you see, it has your trail. You can use this like if you're creating a game and use like, I don't know, if like you have trail skins that can cost Robux for a game pass, and then you can kind of get some Robux off of them. That would be cool. So this is probably it. Thank you for watching, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the very next video. Bye.